This factory turns thousands of cabbages into ready-to-eat salad every single day.
It all starts here, in the fields.
Only the best make the journey.
Speed matters at this scale. From farm to factory. This is where transformation begins.
Thousands of cabbages every hour.
The line never stops. Eyes catch what machines can't. Only the crisp core survives.
Every cabbage is measured.
Field dirt is history. This is the first deep clean. Clean, but handled gently. Safety comes first.
Pure, fresh, ready.
No moisture left behind. Now comes the transformation. Perfect cuts, every time.
This is salad at scale.
Now the real transformation begins. Only the cleanest layers move forward. Every cut must be exact. Freshness is visible in every slice. This line feeds millions. Scale meets precision. Safety is non-negotiable. Cleaned without compromise. Pure, fresh, ready.
Moisture out. Crunch in.
Perfect texture confirmed. Now comes the blend. Balanced, fresh, consistent. Every gram matters. Human eyes still matter. Cold keeps it fresh. Almost ready to eat. Freshness sealed in. speed without damage.
Only perfect packs pass.
Every salad pack is weighed with absolute accuracy.
High-speed fits keep production moving non-stop.
Freshness is locked in using advanced sealing technology.
Only perfectly sealed salads move forward. Every pack is fully traceable from field to shelf. Final inspections protect consumer quality. Automation prepares salads for bulk distribution. Shrink wrapping protects salads in transit.
Cartons are sealed and shipment ready.
Robots stack pallets with millimeter precision. Cold storage preserves freshness at scale.
Every delivery is carefully coordinated.
Salads are loaded under strict cold conditions.
Distribution begins across cities and stores. This factory feeds millions every day. From factory to retail hubs,
Ready-to-eat salads reach consumers.
Convenience meets freshness. Fresh, clean, and ready instantly.
subscribe to see more insane food factory processes.